Tesla is spotted building a bunch of cars in a wild new colors at Giga Shanghai. We're seeing that Tesla has been spotted producing a bunch of cars in wild new colors out of Gigafactory Shanghai. Could this be the new factory wraps that the company teased, or are they new colors? I'll tell you where this story come from. So Electrek is reporting based on the video by Jay from Shanghai, who provides videos from Gigafactory Shanghai, that for a premium automaker, Tesla has a very limited color options. It used to offer many more color options, but in an attempt to streamline production, Tesla has significantly cut down on paid options to just a handful over the last few years. Recently, the automaker has been teasing new colors enabled by its new paint shop at Gigafactory Berlin. But the automaker has also been talking about another way to get new colors on your Tesla vehicles, the wraps. Last year, Tesla announced that it would be offering factory wraps in China on its official Weibo account. I believe I covered that in the Torque News YouTube channel. If I find that video, I will have the link in the description, in addition to Electrek's coverage and Jay of Shanghai's video link. Now, while Tesla made the announcement last year, we haven't seen any confirmed example of those wraps done directly by Tesla at Giga Shanghai. Tesla owners have been doing wraps on their cars for years through third parties, but Tesla offered the service itself that would be kind of new. Now, for the first time, Tesla has been spotted producing new cars out of Gigafactory Shanghai in China with brand new colors in a new drone flyover by Jason Young. It's not clear if those are new paint colors or wraps because you can see them from far away, but the wide variety of new colors could point to new ladder, actually could point to the ladder. Now, here's a close look at some of those colors, which include light blue, turquoise, and even pink. It's important to note that these previously said that its wrap service would work through the delivery centers and not straight from the factory, which is the case here because we're seeing in the factory. Maybe these are the first ones, that's why we're seeing the factory. I don't know. If you have any thoughts, friends, let me know in the comment section below, please. So wrapping a car is not cheap, mostly because it's labor extensive, but there are efficiency improvements that can be achieved by specializing in specific models, like Tesla doing it for its own vehicles. If those new wild colors are from factory wraps, it would be interesting to see how much Tesla is charging for them and whether they will expand to other markets, says Electrek in a report. So let me know, friends, what do you think about Jay's video that we're seeing these colors? What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. It will be interesting to see your thoughts. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily breaking Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage. Give us thumbs up, please. We would appreciate that, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Let's move on to our next Tesla story. God bless you, everyone.
There are some who are blaming Tesla Giga Berlin in pollution even before the company has started the operation. An air quality station has been causing controversy in Grünheide, where Tesla is building its Giga Berlin factory, for months now. Community officials claim the Tesla factory Giga Berlin is leading to increased readings of that air quality. Now the State Environment Agency has found serious quality defects in the measuring stations, and I'm going to tell you all about that. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Is Tesla already polluting the air even though the factory isn't even in operation? Critics in Grünheide claim exactly that, and base their fears on data from an air quality station that was set up by the municipal administration in Grünheide. The State Environment Agency, in Germany it's called LFU, has now established that the location, measurement technology, and data quality of the air quality sensor show serious errors. Because look, Tesla Giga Berlin hasn't even started the operations yet. The environmental authority, therefore, does not consider the data to be evaluable, said Thomas Frey from the LFU to the RBB, which is Brandenburg Public Radio. So the station on the Locknitz campus in Grünheide has been measuring the air quality in the area at a height of 2.5 meters since March of this year. Community representatives, including the Civic Alliance faction, had independently evaluated the data and repeatedly warned of excessive pollutant levels. They suspect that it was caused by the tests being carried out in the paint shop and aluminum die casting foundry of the Tesla's Giga Berlin factory. At the technical discussion in Potsdam this week, the LFU spoke to community representatives from Grünheide about the quality requirements for measuring station and suggested carrying out a measuring campaign with so-called passive collectors. So what does it mean? For this purpose, a network of quality assured measuring points is to be set up in the vicinity of the Tesla site at Giga Berlin. The process is comparatively inexpensive and easy to use, explained Frey to RBB. In this way, a division of labor care of the measuring points can be guaranteed together with the municipal administration. If it's true that Tesla Giga Berlin is polluting the air before even started the production, I don't know. Maybe they will, this will may delay the final permit. I don't know. In addition, the methods evaluated by EU reference method. According to Frey, the chemical analyzers should be examined in the independent laboratory accredited according to international standards, thus ensuring quality. In the next step, the municipality wants to submit proposals for installation points, which will then be checked by the LFU for their technical suitability. According to the authority, the entire calendar year 2022, which is next year, should be considered. The evaluation of the measured values would be available in spring of 2023. Friends, the Civic Alliance parliamentary group sees a breach of duty by Grünheide's mayor Arni Christiani, who is independent, who had the air quality station installed on the Locknitz campus. Members of the parliamentary group had previously accused Christiani of playing down the health risk for the population in Grünheide through Tesla. The mayor did not want to comment on the allegations to the RBB, and we know that mayor has been a staunch supporter of Tesla Giga Berlin coming to the region. So let me know your thoughts. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Do you think Tesla or any company can pollute the air even before starting the operations? The accusations come about the paint shop and the die casting area. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts, friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com, reporting Tesla news daily in this channel. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and also give us thumbs up, please, and we would greatly appreciate it. God bless you. Peace be with all of you on this beautiful day, and let's move on to our next Tesla story.